Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English Marigold Class 3 Unit 4 A Little Fish Story. So students, let's start our new story. Students, take out your Marigold textbook, page number 38. A Little Fish Story. Let's read. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but the story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. So students, here the story is about only a very little fish, not about a million or a billion fish in the seas or in the ocean. Okay, this story is about just a little fish. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. So underline this word contented. Contented means satisfied. So students, this fish had everything in the seas which make him satisfied. But after he was not happy. Look at his face. She is crying and she is not happy. And students, you will laugh when I tell you why he was not. And students, आपको हंसी आएगी जब मैं आपको बताऊंगी why she was not happy. He was unhappy because he was so very small. The reason behind his unhappiness is because she was very small. Look at her, how small she is. So that's why she is unhappy. Okay students, now let's see the third paragraph. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. So here students, a little mite of a fish means बहुत छोटे होना, ये उसके लिए बहुत दुख की बात है और ये बार बार ये ऐसा कहती है. If I were only a larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it to so many times that I think he believed it. So students, here the fish says, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. तो मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता तो कितना अच्छा होता, मैं कितना खुश रहता. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. और ये बात वो कई बार कहता है और उसमें वो क्या करता है, बिलीव यानी उसमें विश्वास करने लगता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, द अंडरलाइन दिस वर्ड बिलीव. द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. वन डे ही वॉज स्विमिंग अलोन विथ द रेस्ट ऑफ हिज स्कूल एंड थिंकिंग नो डाउट हाउ मच मोर द लार्ज फिश हैड टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर देन ही, व्हेन सडनली विथ अ नो वार्निंग दे फाउंड देमसेल्व्स इन द meshes of a great net. So students, here the little fish swimming, वो क्या कर रहा था, तैर रहा था. with the rest of his school means with the, उसके स्कूल के साथ, पूरे स्कूल के साथ वो तैर रहा था. और वो thinking means वो सोच रहा था. वो सोचता है कि बड़ी वाली फिश को कितना अच्छा लगता होगा, कितना थैंकफुल होए वो लोग. थिंग्स हियर द बिग फिश होना, बड़ी फिश होना कितनी अच्छी बात है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी. व्हेन सडनली विथ नो वार्निंग दे फाउंड देमसेल्व्स इन द meshes ऑफ अ ग्रेट नेट. एंड विथ नो मोमेंट व्हाट हैपन, सडनली नो वार्निंग and they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. So look at the pictures. Now this all the fish are found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Here meshes means, underline this word, meshes means trap. So this all the big fish and the small fish are trapped in the meshes of a great net. So great net was there. Now let's see. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat. Here students, you find that all the fishes are found themselves in a big net, and they here floundering means they struggle here to came out from the net, but they cannot do, and they make sound. Here they make also sound. So वो बाहर निकलने के लिए वो कोशिश करती है, लेकिन वो क्या होती है, वो सब वहाँ पे सनलाइट में आ जाती है और वो सबको कहाँ पे एम्प्टीड करते हैं, इन अ बोट में उनको सबको खाली करते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द पेज नंबर 39 नाउ. Emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! Here the new word is wriggle. Wriggle means to move about, means छटपटाना. So students, the smallest fish जो हम जिसकी स्टोरी पढ़ रहे हैं, the fish, this fish mesh through, so वो ट्रैप में से स्लिप बैक बाहर निकलती है और अपने वो क्लियर वाटर में, वहाँ पानी में वो चली जाती है और अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा समझती है. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. दिस फिश स्लिप बैक इनटू द कूल वाटर बिकॉज सी इट इज स्मॉल, दैट्स वाई सी केम बैक एंड सी फील वेरी गुड एंड सी सेज, वो कितना अच्छा होता है ठंडे पानी में तैरना. सो वो अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा समझती है यहाँ पे. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all of the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wishes to be anything but a little fish. Students, here the fish is so happy as she is out of the net and he swam here and there everywhere in the ocean. And look here what happened to her. And some of the fish who knew him well, और वो ऐसा सोचती है अगर मैं बाकी बड़ी फिश को जो मुझे वो मिलती तो वो उनको कह पाती कि अगर छोटे होना कितना अच्छा होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज स्मॉल, दैट्स वाई सी इज आउट ऑफ द नेट. अंडरस्टूड. सो अगेन हियर हिम से दैट ही विश टू बी एनीथिंग बट अ लिटल फिश. Now look at the picture. Now how the little fish looks happy in this picture. So she feels happy at the end because it is because of it's small. That's why she is out of the net, and she feels so happy because she is not in the net. Okay students, so here the little fish story is ends here, and this story is written by Enos B. Comstock. Now students, we will do the textual exercise. So open the page number 40 in your textbook. Exercise 1. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Students, here you have to fill the blanks according to the example. Here the one example is given, and here students you have to write the past tense of this word. Okay, so look here, look, looked. So here we have to put ed at the end and it looks past tense here. So for this word also we have to write here ed. Pick, picked. Bark, barked. Want, wanted. Talk, talked. Wish, wished. Pull, pulled. Help, helped. So students, in all these words you have to put ed at the end and make it the past tense. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. Here the answer is given in this strip and you have to put the right word here. So let's see. 1. A glass of what? A glass of water. So here the answer is water. The next one, a box of matches. So answer is matches. A sheet of paper. A bunch of flowers. Look at this bunch of flowers is here. Then the next one, a herd of cows and a pack of wolves. Students, this grammar chapter we already learn in our grammar textbook. Understood? We have already learned this chapter in our grammar textbook. So here you have to match like this in your Marigold textbook. Now let's see the next one. Look at the following sentence. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. Make more sentences like this using the word in the box. So students, here in the box some words are given and we have to use these words and make the sentence like this. So here one is done for you. If I were only thinner. So here we use the word thinner. How much happier I could be. So students, like this you have to write all the sentences here. So look here, I have already written. If I were only smaller, how much happier I could be. If I were only So if there is no space, you can write like this. If I were taller, how much happier I could be. If I were younger, how much happier I could be. So all this sentence you have to copy from here, and you have to put these words from there. These words, with these words you have to fill the answer here. If I were cleverer, how much happier I could be. And if I were older, how much happier I could be. So students, our 6 sentences we have to make from using these words. Okay students, now let's see the next one. Song time. Here the song is given. Singing or crying is the title. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Look here, here is the Mahesh and it is the Venkatesh. Why are you crying? The Venkatesh says to Mahesh, why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying. I am singing an English song. Now, what Mahesh says? He is singing an English song. Now choose the right word. Now students, from this paragraph you have to write the words and fill the blanks. So number 1 is Mahesh sings a dash song. So long ke little, so answer is here little. So write here little. Next one, Venkatesa looks, shouts at him. So what is Venkatesa do? Looks. So here you have to write looks. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is dash, crying ke laughing. So what the Venkatesh think? He thinks Mahesh is crying. So here we have written crying. Mahesh is singing, saying a song. So Mahesh is, what is doing Mahesh? Singing. So here it is singing. So write here singing. And the last one, the song is in English, Telugu, English. So how it is the song? English. So write the word English. So students, like this you have to fill the blanks. So now our chapter is finished here. Thank you. Have a nice day.